Namaste. Let's talk about quadratic equation, how to solve quadratic equation by quadratic formula. But before we get started, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nisha Thakur and I am the founder of Nisha Tutor. And if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So shall we start? So if given general quadratic equation in this form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, so and here a not equal to 0, so the roots are minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is called quadratic formula. And okay, so let's start the question. Um, Here this is given equation, quadratic equation. We have to compare with this general form. So here a value is 3, b value minus 5 and c value minus 1. Okay, and here I am giving you a tip. Here is a tip for you. Instead of literally learning the formulas, you can write them in each question that you can solve. And mostly students directly put values and solve, but my suggestion is please write the formula so that you can learn them while you practice. It is my personal suggestion. Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here one more tip. Whenever we substitute values, please write in uh, parenthesis or bracket, because here in the formula here already minus. So minus b. So b value is here minus 5 plus minus 5 square minus 4. What is a value? 3. And c value minus 1, 2, a value 3. Okay, now we can calculate. So this is minus 5 plus 5, and here this is 5 square 25, minus multiply with minus plus, and 4 times 3 12, 12 times 1 12, and 2 times 3 6. So our answer is x 5 plus or minus 25 plus 12 37 upon 6. And if approximate are desired, so we can use a calculator to obtain this. So one value, when we take minus 5 minus square root 37 divided by 6, so x value is minus 0.1805, or when we take positive sign, 5 plus square root 37 upon 6, so we get 1.8471. Okay, so we get two roots, two answers. Okay, now another question. What is here? A value is 4, b value 12, c value 9, and please again write formula, don't put direct. Okay, so minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus 12 square minus 4, a value 4 and c value 9. Okay, now here 2, a value 4 minus 12 plus minus 12 square 144 minus, and 4 times 4 16 and 16 times 9 144, of 2 times 4 8. So here square root portion is 0 and square root here minus 12 upon 8, and we can reduce this, so we get, and we can reduce by 4. 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12. So this equation has only one solution, x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Okay, now we take this third question. Here a value, what is a value? 0 or 1? Yes, 1, because here 1 invisible. Okay, in algebra we write x square, it means 1x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, so and b value 2 and c value is also 2. Please again write formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now we can put values. Minus 2 plus minus 2 square minus 4, a value 1, b value c value 2, 2 a value 1. Now minus 2 plus minus 2 square is 4, and 4 times 1 times 2 is 8 upon 2 times 1 2. Okay. Minus 2 plus minus square root minus 4 divided by 2. And do you know square root 4 is? Square root 4 is 2, and here inside square root 1. Now from numerator we can take common 2, so yes, and that 2 cancelled by this 2. So our final answer is minus 1 plus minus square root minus 1. But here this is imaginary number, right? So since the square of any real number is non-negative, and square root minus 1 is undefined in the real number system, so we can say the equation has no real number, no real solution. So if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.